We run.
Merry Christmas.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amy. To my new subscribers, thanks for stopping by, and please do not make this your last. To my returning subscribers, I love you so much. Please click on the subscribe button. So guys, today I was supposed to go for grocery shopping, like Christmas grocery shopping, but when I went outside, the traffic is alarming. Like the traffic is ridiculous. Like why is there all this traffic in Lagos? I don't understand. Can't this traffic thing stop? It's bad to the extent that when I go outside and I don't see traffic, I'm always like, what's going on? Should we run? What's happening? But still, I want it to be that way. I want it to be free. I don't understand. This thing is really bad. So there's nothing I'll do. Now let's give you a day. I no get choice. Now here I go day. So guys, I came here to show you what I got yesterday. Someone sent me a bag with some stuff. So I'm here to show you. Ta-da! The bag is big. Guys, this is a wine. I got a wine. I love it, guys. Like, I love when people send me gifts. You guys, let me tell you something. When I saw this thing yesterday, I thought it was with wine. So I was like, oh, mommy, see, oh, look at this wine, it's fine. When I opened it, see, it's an umbrella. Guys, I can't open this umbrella now because it's so difficult to close. So this is nice. Um, I got this. It's a fan, like a neck fan. See, this is really nice. You just put it around your neck this way. Guys, I have oily skin and I sweat a lot, so it's always really annoying when I do my makeup. So I think this is nice. It shows red and green light. Yeah, I really love this one. Yeah. So guys, the one I love the most, ta-da! It's a cake! Guys, I'm super happy about this cake because I'm not a lucky person when it comes to people giving gifts. Yeah, I give people gifts, but people don't give me gifts. I don't know if they don't like me. I've not tasted it, but I know it's going to be very nice because of the person it's coming from. Guys, see you on my next video. Please watch my video, like, subscribe, and share. Thank you, guys.